Hey, it's Peter. I'm out here at Kriete Truck Center in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. We are looking at a 2020 Kenworth T680. It's got 613,000 miles on it, a Cummins engine with a Fuller 13-speed manual transmission. This Libra truck has gone through our shop. It's been detailed, gone through DOT inspection, and ready to hit the road. Call or text me. We can go through options with you. We can go for a test drive. We do have finance options available. You can reach me at 920-934-0867. Again, it's Peter. You can reach me at Kriete Truck Center in Fond du Lac, 920-934-0867. Have a great day.